morning, children. Now this is 10th class social studies. The first lesson. We completed the first lesson in the previous videos, children. So now here in social studies, map pointing is very important, children. Paper 1 and paper 2. We have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Okay. In this paper 1, paper 2, the map pointings are very important. What are the important locations of this first lesson? I said what are the Indian relief features. First one I said Himalayas. What are that? Himalayas. Next one what did I say? Indo-Gangetic Plains. After the peninsular India. After Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats. Next to Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Next to desert. Okay, children. Next to islands. So these are the relief features of our country. Next to in the map pointing, they will ask you locate these locations. Himalayas, Thar Desert to next to highest peaks in the world. K2 peak, Everest peak, next to Anaimudi peak, Udakamandalam, Aroe Konda. Okay, children. So they will ask these locations. I want to show you these all locations in your map. Children, you must purchase material, children. After lesson, after my videos watching, you must read the textbook from the first lesson, first page to last page of the lesson. Then what are your doubts you write down in your rough notebook. Next, what are the important points you note it down in your textbook or in any running notebook. Okay, children, that is important. Next one, map pointing. I want to show you in your material what are the important locations. Look, children. Look, children. So here in the world, what did I say the highest peak? Everest peak. Now look at here in Nepal, Everest peak. What it is? Nepal, Everest peak. So this is Nepal, children. This all area Nepal, one of the country. It is neighboring country of our country. Okay. So this is our Everest peak here. Here Everest peak. Next to in India, the highest peak is here, K2 peak. Okay, K2 peak, Kanchanjunga. Next one, this is Kanchanjunga. Okay, children. I said Thar Desert. So this is Thar Desert, children. Thar Desert. In Rajasthan, the old folded mountains in the world. Aravalis. They are Aravalis. Next one, I said plateaus. Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in mineral, I said. Next, this is Deccan Plateau area, children. I said Western Ghats. So these are the Western Ghats. These are the Eastern Ghats. Here, Anaimudi peak is highest peak. What is that? Cardamom Hills, children. These are islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep, children. Lakshadweeps. Look Lakshadweeps. Look Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So here the last tip, south tip, Indira Point, children. Here. It was submerged into 2004 tsunami. Okay. You must keep in mind these all. Next, you turn your page, children. Now look at here. Some states. For example, Madhya Pradesh. Where is Madhya Pradesh, children? So this is Madhya Pradesh area. So our India capital, Delhi. Look, Delhi. Okay, this is Rajasthan, biggest state in our country, Rajasthan. What it is? Rajasthan. Now children, look, India, this is Sri Lanka. Between India and Sri Lanka, Pak Strait is there children. Pak Strait, very very important. Pak Strait. Next, this is Tamil Nadu. A state stands for three seas. Tamil Nadu children. What is that? Tamil Nadu. Next, in this map, latitudinal, longitudinal extent is there children. Look children, I will show you latitudinal extent 8 degrees 4 minutes. Here look children, 37 degrees 6 minutes north. These are the latitudinal extent. Among these 30 latitudes, Tropic of Cancer is very very important. It passes through 8 states. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay children. So that is also we'll ask in examinations. Okay. Next, this is Pakistan, one of the neighboring state. This is China children. Look children. Next, you turn your pages to the next page of the same lesson. What is the length of from west to east, from east to west to south to north? Now look at children, north, this is 3214 kilometers. East to west to 2933, that means 2933 kilometers. You keep in mind children. Next, what is the land frontier of our country? Look children, where I am showing. This is land frontier children. This is land frontier children. Okay, it connect with land other countries. This is coastal area. Coastal area means 3 sides surrounded by water. Land frontier is 15,200 kilometers. Keep in mind children, 15,200 kilometers. Okay children, now you turn the next page. You turn the next page in your material. One country is there, Bangladesh. Actually this country, it is part and parcel before independence children, but at independence the Britishers partitioned our country Pakistan and India. So this Bangladesh was East Pakistan children, but in 1971 this East Pakistan became as Bangladesh children. Now it is separate state children. Look children, very very important. You will learn about this Bangladesh in the next lesson children, in civics I think. Next children, look this map. Rivers. 2 South India rivers are there here. First biggest river in South India, Godavari. Where Godavari children? This is Godavari. Look, Godavari river. Next, Krishna river, second highest river in our South India. Now, Himalayan, one of the Himalayan rivers. Himalayan rivers are 3 children. First one Indus, second one Ganga, third one Brahmaputra. So this is Brahmaputra children. How it coming through the states of our country and join in Bangladesh. Finally they drain into Bay of Bengal. Look children, where I am pointing, you observe where I am showing with this pencil. That is about the 3 rivers children. Next, look children, Himalayas. Himalayas are 3 parts. Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik. Okay. Now look at these Himalayas spread from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh children. Okay. So this is Shivalik range, this is Himachal range. These are the greater Himalayas. Next here peaks, children. Look. Nanga Parbat, K2 peak. I said about K2 peak. This is the highest peak in our country. Don't confuse, children. K2 peak is highest peak in our country. Next look at Nanda Devi. Next Gauri Shankar, Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga locates in Sikkim, children. Look. Where Sikkim? Mount Everest also there in Nepal. That is world highest peak, children. What is that? World highest peak. Next, when I discussed in the first lesson, I said about summer resorts or hill stations. Look, Simla, Mussoorie, Ranikhet, Nainital. Look, children, where these hill stations or summer resorts locates. I repeat, Simla, Mussoorie, Ranikhet, Nainital, etc. Very important. Next, children, look in this Tibet Plateau. Next, some hills, Naga Hills, Manipuri Hills, Purvanchal, Jantia Hills, Lusai Hills, etc. So these hills also very important in Purvanchal. Purvanchal means what, children? The northeastern states of our country. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipuri, Mizoram, Tripura. So these are the northeastern states of our countries. Children, this is Purvanchal. What it is? Purvanchal. Next, children, look here. Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. So in our country, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Deccan Plateau. These three are important plateaus. But in this map, they locates Malwa, Chota Nagpur. Chota Nagpur is rich in mineral, children. Jharkhand area. Next, Rajmahal Hills in West Bengal. Look, Rajmahal Hills once. West Bengal. Children, don't confuse. Once again, you watch this video. Again and again you watch this video, then you can understand the lesson and locations of the important places in our country, children. Next, listen, children. Tropic of Cancer. It passes through our country. Exactly off. Mahanadi Delta. Where is Mahanadi Delta? Look, children, this is Mahanadi Delta. Next to Godavari Delta, Krishna Delta. Next to Kaveri Delta. Children? So we can find deltas in eastern coastal plain, children. We cannot find any deltas in western coastal plain, children. So that you keep in mind. Okay, children. Next I will discuss the next lesson in the next class. Thank you.